Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Digit savings strategy. Digit offers flexibility to tailor your savings approach based on your financial habits and goals. To begin, all you got to do is open the Digit app and go to your settings. Now under savings preferences or smart savings settings, you're going to find several customization options. You have saving frequency, where you can choose how often Digit should attempt to save, either daily, weekly, or less often. You also have aggressiveness level, where you can select a savings intensity. It could be light, standard, or aggressive, depending of course how much you're comfortable setting aside. There's also goal prioritization, where you can reorganize your savings goals so that Digit focuses on the one that's most important to you first. You also have pause specific goals, where you can temporarily pause individual goals without stopping all savings. These tools allow you to fine-tune how Digit works for your lifestyle, whether you want to save more aggressively for a big goal or you want to gently build an emergency funds in the background. Experiment with these settings and adjust as your financial situation evolves. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.